this is how you're going to leave a review on Temu. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open the Temu app, and then you're going to head over to the orders section right here. And then from here, you're going to click on your orders, where you can find all of the orders that you have made. And then from here, you can find the product that you purchased, and then you're just gonna have to tap on review. And then once you tap on leave a review, you will be asked to rate the item with stars and add comments about the quality, shipping, or your overall experience. You can also upload photos or videos to show how the item looks in real life. Now, after submitting, your review will appear on the product page for the shoppers to see. So this is how it's going to look like when you have your review up already. So we're just going to click on any item right here. I'm just going to show you how it's going to appear. So it's going to appear like this. You may choose to be anonymous, and then your search will be shown right here, and your comments as well. Now, after that, it could also help improve your credibility on the platform if you are an avid user. And that is how you're going to leave a review on Temu. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.